Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make between $50 and $100 per hour just by reading Amazon KDP books. And it is really important for you to watch this video very carefully because I'm going to show you everything you need to know. I'm going to give you some tips and advices, and also I'm going to explain you some things because I'm guessing that most of you never worked with Amazon KDP. So with that being said, let's start. Okay, this is the website that will pay you to read Amazon KDP books. Now I will reveal the name of this website in a minute. And here you can see this website works with Audible, Amazon and iTunes. And actually this website is owned by Amazon, which means this is a trusted website. And here you can see, are you an actor or a producer? Engage your skills, forge relationships and earn extra cash. Also, if you are an author, you can upload your books here, and here you can see they even have their own university. So if you are a beginner, you don't know what you need to do and how to do stuff, don't worry, they will teach you everything. And basically what this website is, this website will actually connect book authors and voice artists, so you voice artist can convert books into an audio books. And here you can see there is currently 2018 books that need to be converted in audiobooks, which means 2000 people is actually searching for voice artists. So when you click here, you can actually see these books. And here you can see these are all the available books that you can actually apply. And you can apply for all of these books, but you should apply only for books that suits your character, your voice, and your accent. And you can't actually go and just apply on all of these books. What you can do is you can actually filter this. So what I can do, I can simply click here on gender, and because I'm a male, I will click here on male, and then click here on apply, and here I can see 1,222 book authors are looking for male voice artists, okay? And I can even filter this more. So I can simply click here on voice age, okay, and I'm middle-aged man, so I will click here on middle age and click here on apply, and here I can see 77 authors are actually looking for middle-aged males to narrate their books. So when you click on one of these books, you can get even more information. So for example, on this first one here, and when I open this book, when I click here on read more, I can actually see what this book is all about. And here I can see project budget. They estimate it will take 6.2 hours to actually convert this book into an audiobook, and they will pay you between $100 and $200 to do that. Now here you can see price budget, but there are actually 3 ways to get paid with this website, and I will explain you that later. And here you can see that they will actually pay you between $100 and $200. Now what I would suggest, if you are a beginner, to actually go here and find books that take just less than an hour to finish. They will pay you $10 to $20 for that job, but there is almost no competition, and it is an easy job and it is easy money. And that is why you should look for jobs that requires less than 1 hour to finish. And like I said, there is currently 3 ways to get paid. That is a fixed pay, as you can see here, $100 to $200. But let me just close this and let me find another book. For example, just open this one to see. Okay, here you can see royalty share, which means they will actually share their profit with you. Okay, and that can be just 5%, but it can also be 90% of royalty. So some will pay you 5, some will pay you 50, some will pay you 90%. And let me just also find another book to find you a third way to show you, to see, okay, royalty share plus. Here you can see royalty share plus. So what royalty share plus means? That means that you can actually negotiate the percentage of share with the book author. You can negotiate even 100%. to keep 100% from every audio version of this book, okay? But royalty share and royalty share plus are not that good if you're a beginner. It is better to actually go on fixed prices. But if you wish to use royalty share and royalty share plus, then what I would suggest is to actually scroll here and click here on view this title on Amazon to check it out to see are there actually any sales, does anybody buy this book. As you can see here, there are no reviews, which means most likely nobody or maybe just a few people buy this book, and probably nobody will buy audio version of this book. So what you need to do, you actually need to go back here and you need to find books that have sales on Amazon. So let me just go back here to try to find another book that actually has sales on Amazon. So for example, let me just choose one of these books. Okay, let's just see this book here. Click here, view on Amazon, and here you can see 2 ratings. And let me just check another book. I think there are books who have even more sales. So let me just check. Okay, this one here, for example, let's check it out. Click here on Amazon, and here you can see 18 ratings, which means people are actually buying this book on Amazon, which means chances are that they will actually buy audio version of this book. So if you actually get royalty, this actually book pays you fixed price, but if you get royalty share or royalty share plus, then you can earn money with this book, okay? Sometimes you can earn much more money with royalty share and royalty share plus than with a fixed price. But I would suggest if you're more experienced voice artist, then accept royalty share and royalty share plus. If you are a beginner, then go on fixed price just like this one here, okay? So to actually start applying for these books, to be a voice artist, what you need to do, you need to scroll here on the bottom and you need to click here on narrators. And here you can see how this actually works. Here you can see step 1, create a profile. Step 2, upload sample. Now, if you are a freelancer, doesn't matter what you do, if you're a graphic designer, web designer, voice artist, doesn't matter, you should always upload samples of your work. That is really, really important. And they actually suggest you here to upload your sample of your work. Just go and read some book and record that and upload that on your profile. So potential clients can come to your profile and check out the sample of your work. Okay, here you can see how do you want to get paid. You can get fixed price, you can get royalty share or royalty share plus. Auditions, you actually need to apply for these books, and then like I said, you need to send a sample of the work to the client, and client will say, okay, I'm satisfied, I will hire you to do the job. Okay, accept offers, start recording, work with other studio professionals, finish the recordings, get paid, come back for more. And to sign up, you can actually go back here, click here on sign up on ASX. Now, name of this website is ASX, okay, ACX, sorry, name of this website is ACX. And when you click here on sign up, you can actually sign up with your Amazon account. Like I said, this website is owned by Amazon, which means this is a trusted website. And if you get the job, you will get paid, you will get your money. So this is how you make between $50 and $100 per hour just by reading Amazon KDP books. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side, you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.